Hello all, welcome to another episode of Thoughtful Leaders by College Dunia. Today we have N. Ashok Reddy Garu, Director of Arya Group of Institutions. Hello sir, welcome to College Dunia. Sir, could you please brief about yourself to our viewers, sir?
Hello. Uh, Hello to all the viewers and College Dunia for giving me this opportunity. Thanks for that, man. And to brief about myself, I started my journey after completing my post graduation from Osmania University. I have joined MNCs like Bank of America, UBS, HSBC, Cognizant. I worked across the world like London, New York, Sydney, and Singapore. Like I was more into investing profile, like risk management, derivatives, financial planning and analysis, operational risk. So, like in this, with a stint of around 12 years in the industry, what I understood is that academics is different and industry is different. So, to bridge that gap, I moved from industry to academics. So, to ensure that every student would be successful.
So sir, like you have held many key positions in education institutions throughout your professional career. So, what are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector, sir?
So, as we all know that industry is dynamic, academics is a bit static, dogmatic. So, what we felt is like whenever we were conducting interviews with all the students, we were lacking basic industry skills. So, what we felt is to meet the industry requirement, the industry skills are also very important. But the biggest lacuna in academics is they are very busy with covering their syllabus, but not understanding that they are not industry ready. So then we felt that it's always better to be part of academics to ensure that we can develop the academics.
Okay. So going on to the next question, sir. Being the director of Arya Group of Institutions, so what is your philosophy of leadership? Like, how do you describe your leadership style, sir?
Okay. My leadership style is like very simple. We believe in teamwork. So unless the team works, we cannot achieve our goal. So together we can achieve more. That is what is our philosophy. And what we want to do, like our vision is to connect academics with industry. So to do that, understand the team, train the team, ensure that the team is properly understanding our vision and nurturing the students in the right direction so that we can get the desired result. So our philosophy is working with the team, understanding the goal, making them understand, and ensuring that every student in India should be successful.
Okay. So moving on to our next question, sir. Being the director of Arya Group of Institutions, how do you strategize about the key programs and the plans for marketing and the administration of your institute, sir?
Okay. The first thing what I would say is our quality should speak rather than branding ourselves. So branding is always important, but more its word of mouth should be there. So we believe in quality. So how we do is we categorize the skills as academic skills, industry skills. So we train students on academic skills, industry skills, put them into practical projects right from the graduation first year, so that once they understand how the practical world works, they can actually reach the ladder very quickly up, and they can also understand the challenges in the very nascent stage and become successful in their career.
Okay. So we all know like the education systems in India and other foreign countries are completely structured differently. So in your experience at Arya Group of Institutions, so what can an inbound student gain from studying here, sir?
Okay. So as I told you that our curriculum is not as dynamic as industry is there. Industry is changing in a rapid pace, whereas academics is dogmatic. So as I said earlier, to meet the requirement of industry, our education system should also be dynamic. So we know that our syllabus and curriculum is not in line with the industry requirement. So what we are doing is, along with the regular academics, we are also trying to upgrade the industry skills with all the next gen courses to ensure that every student should be industry ready in line with the like other countries. What they do is they change the curriculum, but here we don't have that option. So we actually are design the curriculum in line with the industry requirement.
Okay. So, sir, how does the curriculum of Arya Group of Institutions ensure the best practice of the industry?
Okay. So we believe in less of theory and more of practical. So we want the students to learn a theory in the classroom for a shorter time, and we don't believe in passive learning, that is lecture method. We believe in active methodology, wherein it should be a group discussion mode, it should be a presentation mode, it should be a practical project mode, it should be a live internship mode. So that is what we are trying to connect academics with understanding.
Okay. Sir, could you give any insights like how your university could be more welcoming to students of different races or from different economic backgrounds?
So as such, the methodology what we follow, like we have a digital classroom, we have like a calendar wherein all the topics which would be discussed would be designed. The student would have access to all the topics, videos, everything. So in spite of having all these things, we are economically placed. So we are not charging a huge fees even with the infrastructure like AC classrooms and all the other features. But what we want is we want students with attitude to come up here, work for on their own feet, they get a practical internship and they pay their fee from their own pocket by learning practically and earning practically.
Okay. What do you think your roles and responsibilities to the universities and the students over years?
So roles and responsibility of student is we always try to nurture students in that direction. First, we try to give them a goal, which we want them to understand what their goal is. Once they understand the goal, what skill set they require, we'll make them realize. We'll also train them in the direction so that we try to fit the right person in the right job rather than we are designing the job and preparing the students in that direction. So we believe in skill mapping. So understand what is the strengths, where his skills can be aligned, and we try to connect them to that industry.
Okay. So going on with the next question, sir. What do you think should be the Adya group of institutions' top priority for the next 10 years?
10 years, we always believe that the curriculum should be customized in line with the student's requirement. So it should not be a static subjects. Maybe I want to go with one career wherein I require business skills, wherein I require communication skills, wherein I require technical skills. So let me not learn all the subjects which are not relevant. Maybe I don't require a second language as of now. Instead of that, I will learn the subjects which are relevant for me, directly go into that particular course or career and spend their time practically to understand the intricacies of the particular industry. So once I understand, I would be able to even do a good job for the particular industry and even for the nation.
Okay. So, sir, when you first came to Adya Group of Institutions, so what was your vision for the institute and has it evolved over time? Like how far it took to implement that, sir?
Okay, as you rightly said, it's not overnight. We have a plan and we can execute the plan. But what did we understand is, since I come from industry, I understood that the pain that industry requires different skill set, academics has different skill set. So aligning the industry skills are much more important. So what we are trying to do is trying to train them on industry skills. So it was never an easy task because it's a change of culture. It's a cultural shift which has to be implemented. So the faculty mindset need to be changed. The students' mindset need to be nurtured in that direction. So it took almost 3 years for us to make them understand. Now we have set a culture in such a manner that students are doing internship right from the first year.
Okay. So what would you like the people to know more about Adya Group of Institutions? They have an idea regarding the Adya Group of Institutions. So
Okay.
what would you like the people to know, which they may not know actually?
Okay. So Adya is simple thing. Adya is only there to connect academics with industry. So we are not here to get the marks. Marks are the byproduct of knowledge. So get thorough understanding of the subject. So once your knowledge is full, then the byproduct of the knowledge is marks. So we want every student to be industry ready rather than marks ready. So we are making them industry ready. So people should identify Adya as whoever comes here will get a career because we are trying to meet the industry requirements and we want to train the students in line with the industry requirement to make them industry ready.
Okay. So our next question is, what are some of the biggest challenges you see both for higher education in general and for Adya Group of Institutions specifically?
Okay. Now, we all know that new education policy has come into existence. But trust me, with the small organization of us to train the student to change the mindset, it is going to be the biggest challenge for us also. So we understand the pain of it. Now this would be at a country level where all the maybe the teachers would be of a mindset that uh, they have to move from a different mindset and make them train practically. So to execute this would definitely become a big challenge, but not impossible. But over a period of time, I know that it will take its own time. But with the initiative what our government is taking, definitely that would be successful.
Okay. So moving on to the next question, sir. What are some of the plans that you are currently or will be designing for Ajay Group of Institutions for its international affairs or the students?
Now, so first thing is maybe we have already pre-designed all the courses and curriculum. Maybe if I want to go into one particular career which does not require some of the courses or subjects. So we want to align the subjects in such a manner that I can choose. I want to become a news reader. Right? A good English language, the critical thinking skills, a good knowledge about the general knowledge, what is happening in the industry, in our country, and how am I going to present the same thing. So what are skills required for that one? I will choose that particular curriculum and maybe I will be demonstrating the same rather than learning something which is not that relevant for me. So we will like to design customize the curriculum in line with the student requirement, student goal.
Okay. So, sir, being the director of Ajay Group of Institutions, so how do you establish a healthy relation and a better environment in your institute?
We believe in one concept, one for all and all for one. So here every teacher is working for one student and every student should understand that they are helping them. So we will not say that this is correct, this is not wrong, this is wrong. We will make them realize that what is good for them and what is wrong for them, so that they will take up that option that if this is going to be my path, these are the teachers who are helping me. So there should be a cordial bonding between the teachers, students, and the management. So it's like a simple family kind of thing where we work for another. So the same relationship we want to maintain.
Okay. So, sir, going on with the final question of our interview. So, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth or the aspiring students, sir?
Okay. Simple thing is the goal need to be specific. Choose the right goal, choose the right path, and whatever requirements are there, whatever skills I need to learn for that, put your heart and soul for that and learn that. So irrespective of you are getting less percentage or more percentage, but your focus will take you to the next level. So if you observe all the case studies, all the dropouts, like even you take Bill Gates, you take Boyo case study, you take like Mark Zuckerberg Facebook case study, they are all dropouts, but they are all successful because of the focus. So I always try to transfer this particular information that be focused, your success is guaranteed.
Okay, that's a very insightful message for our viewers, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for giving your time for our viewers. We wish a great success from College Dunia also, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure speaking to you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.